The overall goal of this work is to investigate the dynamic behavior and interaction of soft colloidal particles in dispersions of various particle densities in the vicinity of glass transition.
Microgels are soft objects that can adapt their size, shape and mobility according to their environments. In contrast to rigid colloidal particles, there are many open questions concerning the behavior of soft microgels.
The main advantage of wide-field fluorescence microscopy is the possibility to localize single microgels with high accuracy, directly follow their motion in situ, and to analyze their modes of diffusion.
To investigate the dynamics of single microgels in dense systems, only a small number of microgels must be fluorescently labeled.
Non-stirred precipitation polymerization allows for parallel synthesis of microgel with variable reaction conditions to conveniently match the size of labeled and unlabeled microgels.
Dynamic light scattering provides the average hydrodynamic radii of the microgels within an accuracy of a few nanometers.
Dissolve 1.8 grams of NIPHAM and 24 milligrams of BIS in 245 milliliters of filtered double distilled water in a 500 milliliter 3-neck round bottom flask equipped with a reflux condenser, a stirrer, and a rubber septum. Insert a thermometer and a 120 millimeter needle for the nitrogen input through the septum. Heat the solution to 60 degrees Celsius while stirring. Then deoxygenate the solution by purging with nitrogen for 40 minutes. Simultaneously